Wait, hold on. Time out. You're telling me people in Australia put what in their coffee?
Oh, you have no idea, Alex. If you walk into a cafe in Sydney and ask for a regular drip coffee with hazelnut syrup, they'll literally look at you like you're crazy.
Look, I'm an American guy, okay? To me, coffee is simple. It's fuel. You get up, grab a massive iced latte, hit the highway, and smash your day. Why does the rest of the world make a bean so complicated?
Because, Alex, for the rest of the world, coffee isn't just a quick caffeine hit to survive the 9 to 5. It's a whole vibe. It's a lifestyle.
A lifestyle? Mia, it's beans in hot water. That's it. We're not discussing fine art here.
Oh, trust me. Some people absolutely treat it like fine art. Hey guys, welcome back to Fluent Talk Academy. This is the podcast where we break down real-life English, global cultures, and how people actually talk out there.
Yep, I'm Alex, your typical fast-moving US guy who lives on caffeine and drives way too much.
And I'm Mia. I love traveling, exploring, and constantly reminding Alex that there is a whole world outside of America.
Hey, I'm trying here.
Barely.
Fair enough. And today, Mia's taking us on a wild coffee trip. We're talking USA, UK, Australia, and Dubai. Let's get into it. All right, let's start with us, the US. What's wrong with our coffee? It's fast. It's efficient.
Fast? Alex, Americans don't drink coffee. You guys inhale it.
That's not even wrong.
It's all about size and speed.
Exactly. Look at my cup right now. This is 32 ounces of pure energy. I want my coffee in under 2 minutes. I want to drive through where I don't even have to get out of my car.
Yes! And the sugar. American coffee is basically, how much syrup can I dump in here until it doesn't taste like coffee anymore? Pumpkin spice, vanilla, caramel.
Yo, don't disrespect the pumpkin spice. That's a classic.
Of course you'd say that.
But look, honestly, time is money here. We drink coffee while driving, while typing, while running to a meeting. We don't sit in a cafe for 3 hours watching the rain. Who has time for that?
True. In the US, if a shop doesn't have fast Wi-Fi and a drive-thru, it's a wrap. It's all about the hustle.
Exactly. Coffee isn't an event. It's a survival tool. Okay, so what's the deal with Australia? Why would they look at me funny?
Because Australians take coffee more seriously than life itself. They are total coffee snobs. Like, for real.
Really? Like, how bad is it?
Okay, you know Starbucks? Huge everywhere, right?
Right.
Well, they went to Australia and they basically failed. They had to close a ton of stores because Aussies were like, nah, what is this sugary water? Get out of here.
Oh, ouch. That hurts my American soul.
It's true.
Wow.
Over there, it's all about local, independent cafes. They invented the flat white. It's a very specific espresso with super velvety milk.
Okay.
And if the milk texture is even a little bit off, they will complain.
Man, that sounds like a lot of homework. I just want a drink, not a science project.
But that's the thing. They sit down, they chat with the barista. It's an art form.
Meanwhile, I'm trying to leave before the red light turns green.
Exactly. To them, our coffee is just burnt water.
All right, respect the dedication. But I'm still keeping my giant cup. All right, what about the UK? I thought British people only drank tea with their pinkies up, saying stuff like, "Splendid morning, governor."
Okay, first off, literally nobody says that. Good to know. Second, the UK has had a massive coffee boom lately. They kind of copied the global trend, but made it their own thing.
Like what? They dunk biscuits in it?
Well, they do love biscuits.
See, I knew it.
But no, in London, coffee shops are packed. The vibe is different, though. It's less about running to work and more about hanging out.
Meaning what?
In the UK, saying, "Let's grab a coffee," is basically code for, "Hey, I need to gossip with you for an hour."
Now we're getting somewhere.
They sit inside a cozy shop, even if it's freezing and pouring rain outside, just holding that warm cup and talking.
Okay, I get it now. So it's like a pub, but with caffeine instead of beer?
Bingo! Exactly. It's a social thing.
That's actually kind of nice. All right, let's talk about Dubai, the UAE. I've seen the videos online, Mia. Everything looks like $1 million.
Oh, it is.
I knew it!
Dubai coffee culture is next level luxury. First, they have amazing tradition. Arabic coffee is called qahwa. It's brewed with cardamom and saffron, served in tiny cups, and you always eat it with super sweet dates.
Wow.
It's all about making guests feel like royalty.
Okay, that actually sounds dope. Very respectful.
It is! But then you have the modern Dubai cafes. Marble floors, flower walls.
Sounds expensive already.
And get this, actual 24-karat gold flakes on top of your latte foam.
Hold up. You're telling me somebody looked at a latte and thought, you know what this needs? Gold.
Yup.
That's insane.
Edible gold. It doesn't taste like anything, but it looks incredible on Instagram.
I can't get over that.
People just chill there for hours, looking fancy. No rush, no drive-thrus, just pure luxury.
Man, I'm literally drinking out of paper in a parking lot. I'm doing life all wrong.
See? That's the cool part. One little coffee bean, but the whole world flips it differently.
For real. Culture changes everything. All right, English learners, now it's your turn. We'd love to hear from you.
Tell us about the coffee culture in your country. How do people usually enjoy their coffee?
Do they grab a quick coffee on the way to work, or sit down and enjoy long conversations with friends and family?
Drop your country and tell us what makes your coffee culture unique. We can't wait to read your comments.
And if you're enjoying these easy English conversations and want to improve your English listening, vocabulary, and speaking skills in a fun and natural way,
make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Fluent Talk Academy so you never miss a new episode.
we've got plenty more real-life English, fun discussions, and interesting topics coming your way.
Thanks for spending a few minutes with us today.
Peace out.
See ya!